Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this super powerful stimulating air growth oil infused with fenugreek, black tea and Ayurvedic ingredients, which will help with hair growth and hair fall. If you're interested in something like this, keep on watching. As well as, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share it with your friends if you found it helpful. So the ingredients I'll be using for this video are Ayurvedic hair and scalp tea, this fenugreek powder. I got both of these from Full Essentials, this olive oil and sunflower blend, as well as black tea. You can use any carrier oil of your choice like coconut oil or grapeseed oil, and you can use any tea of your choice. Just ensure that it's 100% natural with no additives. So I'm going to be adding 1 cup of olive oil to this beaker. Later down in the video I added an extra cup of olive oil and sunflower blend. Then I'm going to add a ½ tablespoon of this fenugreek powder. Then I'm going to open this hair and scalp tea and I'm going to take 3 bags of this as well as 3 bags of the black tea. And I'm using the Great Value black tea. So what I'm doing here, I'm just opening them up out of the packet, and then I'm going to tear the bag and open the contents and empty it out into the olive oil and sunflower blend. So let's get into the benefits of these ingredients. So the benefits of olive oil is that it strengthens hair follicles, increases the lifespan of each hair, and it promotes hair growth. The benefit of sunflower oil is that it contains oleic acid, which can stop breakage, reduces frizz, great for dandruff and itchy scalp, and it's rich in source of vitamin E. The benefit of fenugreek is that it is rich in protein and iron, which are 2 essential ingredients for hair growth. It also contains 2 compounds, flavonoid and saponins, which are presumed to induce hair growth due to its anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. And the purpose of black tea is that it strengthens the hair follicles and it reduces shedding. And the hair and scalp tea contains a list of ingredients that I'm going to put up right now, which are all beneficial in hair growth and scalp health, as well as reducing dandruff and great for eczema. So I'm just mixing these ingredients up. Then I'm going to place them into a warm water bath for a few hours, and I keep changing the water so that the mixture can stay warm for some hours. You can do this method without heat, but it would take up to 2 to 3 weeks to infuse. Just place it in a glass jar in a cool area for 2 weeks. So I'm adding vitamin E oil to this mixture. Vitamin E oil just helps to keep the oil fresh and prevent it from spoiling or going rancid. Oil go rancid, not spoil. And now I'm adding some lemongrass oil. I think I added about 5 drops of this. And lemongrass oil is just good for dandruff. It also strengthens the hair follicles and promotes hair growth, as well as it's antibacterial as well. So I just mix that, and after I'm finished infusing it, I strain it. And please to note that I add the vitamin E oil and the lemongrass oil when the mixture is cool. So now I'm just adding this mixture to my bottle. And yeah, how you know that the oil has infused is when the oil changes color like this. And yeah, this is my oil. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. And don't forget that God loves you. Thank you for your support, guys. Bye.